Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you some farmhouse decorating ideas with modern style. Let's take a look. Modern farmhouse decor works best when it balances cozy plus clean. Think warm woods, soft neutrals, black accents, natural textures, and a mix of old and new. Here are some practical modern farmhouse decorating tips to make your home feel warm, stylish, and inviting. Add natural wood tones. Incorporate wood beams, floating shelves, coffee tables, or dining tables. Choose natural or lightly stained finishes rather than overly dark woods. Layer cozy textures. Use linen curtains, chunky knit drawers, woven baskets, and cotton pillows. Mixing textures adds warmth without adding clutter. Add vintage-inspired textiles. Use antique-style rugs, striped cushions, and classic plaid patterns. These elements add character and charm. Keep decor simple. Focus on quality over quantity. Leave some open space so rooms feel airy and uncluttered. Bring nature indoors. Decorate with stone, wood, wicker, and natural fibers. Organic materials are key to modern farmhouse look. Use large area rugs. Choose oversized rugs that anchor the furniture. Vintage-inspired, faded patterns work especially well. Create visual contrast. Pair light walls with darker furniture accents. Black window frames or hardware can add depth without overwhelming the space. Display handmade items. Handmade pottery, oven baskets, and crocheted beaches add authentic farmhouse charm. Imperfect, artisan-made items often feel more welcoming than mass-produced decor. Add character with architectural details. Consider shiplap, baseboard, board and pattern walls, or decorative ceiling beams. Use these features sparingly for a modern feel. Decorate with natural baskets. Use wicker, rattan, or seagrass baskets for blankets, magazines, or toys. They provide both storage and texture. Incorporate soft patterns. Subtle stripes, checks, and botanical prints complement farmhouse interiors. Stick to muted colors for a cohesive look. Make the entryway welcoming. Add a wooden bench, open basket, and simple wall hooks. Keep the area practical and organized. Decorate seasonally with natural elements. Use fresh flowers in spring, wood stems in autumn, evergreen branches in winter, and wildflowers in summer. Natural decorations fit the farmhouse aesthetic year round. Include personal collections. Display vintage books, family heirlooms, or treasured handmade crafts. Incorporate soft curves. Balance straight farmhouse lines with round mirrors, curved lamps, and oval tables. Curves make a room feel welcoming. Choose timeless furniture. Invest in classic pieces that won't go out of style. Create a reading nook. Add a comfortable chair, soft throw blanket, and floor lamp. A cozy corner enhances the relaxed farmhouse feel. Style shelves in layers. Place taller items in the back and smaller items in front. Mix defined wood finishes. Combine light and medium wood tones creates a collected, natural look. Matching every wood finish can make a room feel flat. Use decorative rocks and pictures. Vintage style stoneware can hold flowers, kitchen utensils, or simply serve as decor. They bring authentic farmhouse character. Keep countertops mostly clear. Display only a few attractive everyday items. Clean surfaces help maintain the modern side of the style. Add cozy lighting layers. Combine ceiling lights, table lamps, floor lamps, and candles. Multiple light sources create a warm evening ambience. Decorate with seasonal textiles. Swiss pillow covers, straws, and table runners throughout the year. This refreshes the room without major changes. Bring handmade crafts into the decor. Crochet pillows, knitted drawers, oven wall hangings, and handmade baskets fit perfectly with farmhouse aesthetics. They add warmth and personality. Focus on comfort over perfection. Modern farmhouse homes should feel lived in and welcoming. Small imperfections often add charm and authenticity. Use large mirrors. Large mirrors reflect natural light and make rooms feel bigger. Choose black metal, wood, or vintage inspired frames. Use natural upholstery. Sofas and chairs in cream, beige, or light gray provide a timeless foundation. Accent colors can be changed easily with pillows and throws. Incorporate natural stone. Stone fireplaces, trays, coasters, or decorative bowls add organic texture. Stone pairs beautifully with wood and linen. Add texture through baskets. Use baskets of different sizes for storage and decoration. They help soften hard surfaces and add warmth. Choose quality over quantity. A few beautiful, well-made pieces often look better than many small decorations. Decorate with books. Stick books on coffee tables, shelves, and consoles. Choose books with neutral covers or vintage apple. Mix matte and natural finishes. Combine matte black fixtures with natural wood and textured fabrics. The contrast creates visual interest. Embrace open space. Avoid filling every wall and surface. Empty space helps farmhouse interiors feel calm and airy. Use oversized lanterns. Large lantern-style pendants create a classic farmhouse look. They work beautifully in entryways, dining rooms, and kitchens. Decorate with antique-look containers. Use vintage-inspired crocks, milk cans, and wooden boxes as decorative accents. They add rustic charm without overwhelming the space. Layer defined fabrics. Combine linen, cotton, wool, and crochet textures. Layering fabrics makes rooms feel richer and more inviting. Create a coffee station. Style a small corner with mugs, a tray, and decorative canisters. Keep it functional and attractive. Decorate with branches. Large branches in a ceramic vase create an elegant natural display. This is an inexpensive way to add height and texture. Thanks for watching the video.